Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve mouse cursor not locking in the game window after using the Xbox game bar. When the mouse cursor doesn't lock to the game window after using the Xbox game bar, it's often a sign of a software glitch, particularly on systems with multiple monitors. So this is a known issue that Microsoft has been working to address in recent Windows updates. The problem usually occurs when you interact with a game bar widget and the cursor fails to properly re-engage with the game's windows. And then I'll show you potential solutions and workarounds to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable the modify Xbox overlay. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu, and then you need to select the settings, and then once you open up here at Windows settings, and then you need now to tap or click this system tab and then click, and then once you open up here at system tab and then here at left side navigation panel, and then you need to scroll down and then select the system components and then click. And then once you open up here at system components, so here now we need to find and locate this game bar, right? So we have 9 system components found here. Then you can see now this game bar. So all you have to do is to select, and then you need to tap or click this advanced options. And then once you open up here at game bar advanced options, so here at left side navigation panel, underneath here at components permissions, then we need to toggle the background apps, switch to the off positions. Then you can see this button here, then you need to toggle the switch one time. So if you can see now it's grayed out, so that it means it's already disabled or turned off. Alright, so once you're done here at game bar settings, and then we need to close. If the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to disable the Xbox game bar. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at Windows settings, the next step, then you need now to select this gaming tab and then click. And then once you open up here at gaming settings here, then on right sides, then you can see this game bar. And then next step, then you can see here this control how game bar opens and recognize your games. So you can see this button here, then we need to toggle the switch to the off positions. So we need to turn off this button here, then toggle this buttons to left corner. Then you can see now it's grayed out, so it means it's already turned off or disabled, right? So once again, you're done here at game bar settings, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to update the graphics driver. So all you have to do is to right click again on a start menu, and then you need now to select this device manager. And once you open up here at device manager, and then you need now to select and expand this arrow here at display adapters and then click. And then we need now to update this graphics driver here. On how to update, you need to select and then right click. And then you need to tap or click this update driver. And updating driver, so we have two options. So either choose search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And the next step, then we need now to tap or click this search automatically and then click. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after here at device manager, and then we need to close. And then here at the power button, then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.